Hello everyone, welcome to Knowledge Extension. Today we will see how to add the Google Ads in our applications, Android applications, so you can generate the revenue from your ads. So very simple process. First step is you have to log in your admob account. If you don't have, then don't worry, it will use the Gmail credentials. So it is very simple process to create the admob account. So click on this and then sign in. In my case, I already have the admob account. Okay, see guys, you can see there are various things are available here, various reports, your application statistics, and the performance related things are here, and much more things are available. And here is the applications. So guys, to create the ad we need to add the application. So click on the add app first, and in my case my application is not on the Play Store, so I'm selecting the no. Here you have to enter your application name. My application is based on the Android platform, so I'm selecting the Android only, and then click on the add. See guys, here we have created the application ID. See guys, this is very important for our applications, so that Google can determine our application. So I need to store this so that I can use it later, because now we have to create the unit ID also. That unit ID is based on the actual ID element for our ad. Here we done. So let's create the unit ID. Then create add unit, click on it. After that you can see there are various types of ads are available. This is the banner, interstitial, and many more. So right now I'm working on the banner ad only, so I'm selecting the banner ad. See guys, here we have to enter our unit ID name. It will be anything as you want. Test app. Here's some advanced setting, and then create add unit. Okay, so guys, we have successfully created our application ID and our unit ID for the banner ad. Similarly, I need to store this unit ID also, so we can use it in our applications. So we can call it unit ID, and this is our unit ID. Just save it. Here we done. See guys, our main part is over now, so we have to develop our application now. So start the Android Studio first. See guys, the banner ad and interstitial ads are very common way to earn money from your applications. You can make money from your applications by using these types of ads. By adding these ads to your applications, you can show some advertisements in your applications, so it will be very easy to generate the revenue by using such kind of ads. And it is very simple process. I will show you very simple step-by-step procedure, so please follow the instructions. First of all, we will see the difference between the banner ad and interstitial ad. So it is simple that banner ad is a rectangular image. Okay, it is a very small ad, and the interstitial ad will cover your whole screen. Okay, this is the main difference between banner and interstitial ad. Okay guys, so we need to create the new project. Click on the file, then click on the new, and this is our new project. Here we have to enter the project name, test app, and the language will be the Java. Then click on the finish. See guys, our application is loading now. This is our main activity, that is we need to handle the functional part here, and this is our design part, that is XML file. We can call it a layout also. So our project is ready now. See, this is the design layout, that is a blueprint. Okay, I'm going to change this text. This is banner ad example. Okay, so guys, first thing is to create the view where we can show our ad. So Google provide the ad view for this. So open your browser and type Android Studio admob. You can find the guidance here. Click on this link. See guys, various information are available here. This is kind of the Gradle. So we are using the banner ad, so just click on this. Here you can find the design, that is the ad view content. Just copy it and add here in our XML layout. Now press Alt plus enter. Okay, see guys, this is our main unit ID. We have to enter our unit ID in this place. See guys, this is our application's unit ID, but right now I'm using this testing ID for the test purpose only, because we just create our ad, so it will take time. Now the second part is we have to enter this line in our Gradle file for application purpose. Find out the dependencies and then enter this. See guys, this will instruct the Gradle to pull the latest version of mobile ad SDK. Here we done the design part. Now we will see the functionality. Before that, we need to add the application ID. So this is the method. We need to use this tag in our manifest file, which is nothing but the routing. We will add it in the application tag like this, and here we have to replace our application ID. I have already stored it in my text file here, but I'm not going to use it right now. I'm using the test ID. You will find your test ID in here. See, this is the test ID. You can use it. Just replace with this. So now we have to create the add view variable. Here we have created, and the next step is to initialize the mobile ad SDK. So pay attention on this method, mobile ads initialize, and this is our context. Our initialization is done now. Now we will bind our design to this variable by using the ID, that is add view ID. So guys, here you can find out the add view ID. So just copy and paste it here so that our variable can bind with this add view. Now we have to create the request. And the last step is to load our ad like this, and we will use that request variable here. Here we done. Now we will check our application is working or not. I hope so. I'm using my device here. See guys, our application is running now, and we have successfully add the Google Eye in our applications. Hope this will helpful for you. So guys, if you like this, then don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.